Welcome to Corporals Corner. Tonight we're going to be field testing the candle-powered space heater inside of a shelter half, so stick around. Alright, I'm in a campsite a few miles from my house, up against the mountains. Time on deck, 1951. We got the candle-powered space heater set up inside of my shelter half, and it's approximately 54 degrees outside. What I'll do is I'll zoom in here and I'll show you that. .54 degrees, and we got 62% humidity. So what we'll do is we'll check back in a few hours and see how warm we can get it inside here. Time on deck, 21:32. It's been roughly an hour and a half, and we started with 54 degrees, and right now it's 64 degrees. So we've increased the temperature by 10 degrees in an hour and a half. Welcome back. As you can see, this is a pretty effective test. We've raised the temperature in here by 10 degrees in an hour and a half. Now, currently it's 65 degrees in here, and with this wool blanket, the heat output from this mini furnace space heater, and then my body heat on top of that, it's almost unbearable in here. And I guarantee the temperature is continuing to rise. And so normally I wouldn't even need this wool blanket or even the space heater at this temperature. But I wanted to see in a confined space such as this, how high and how fast we could raise the temperature. And I see. So I'm pretty happy with the result. Now, once again, we got a built-in thermostat right here with multiple candles. Like right now I can just feel the heat on my face. So I can turn the thermostat down by removing a candle or two or three. And if I get too cold, I can just put them back in there. So again, this is a pretty effective test. Go ahead and try it for yourself. Hope you all learned something today. With that, catch you all next time. It's a rack ops for me.